Hello everyone, my name is Robert Frere and I am with Data Meaning and we are an Ultrix Premier partner. Today I want to cover a couple of different methods for downloading an Alteryx Designer onto your computer. The first is, if you have not received a key, you can go to Ultrix.com and at the top left you can click on Free Trial. And when you click on Free Trial, then you have the option of a demo or full version. Click on Full Version. Then within that information, it will give you a box to fill in email and location of where you are. And then it's mandatory that you check this box and agree to receive communication from Ultrix. Then you can click on the Try Now button, in which case it will then begin to download Ultrix uh, setup routine onto your PC, and you can then run the setup and it will install Alteryx Designer with a 14-day license. The second option is if you have already received a key, you can go to the Ultrix community, and from the Ultrix community you can go to support and downloads and licenses. So you click on downloads and licenses, and then it'll ask you to log in. When you log in, this sometimes takes a few seconds, but don't worry. As long as it still says logging in, you're in good shape. So we're logging into the Ultrix download site. Then, when it logs us in, we'll see downloads and licenses. We know that we want to download the Ultrix Designer. It will show us the latest version, which is right now 2019.4. Click on this, and it will then give us options of different types of installs. So normally, if you have admin permissions to your local PC, the best thing to do is to load the Ultrix Designer. So you click on this tab and then download. But before we do that, I also wanted to show you that there is a non-admin Ultrix Designer install that you can do if you do not have admin permissions to your local PC. If at all possible, it's best to use the admin installer. So in this case, we can click on that installer, and you can see that this is it will take a little while to run, but once you have downloaded it, you can run the install and you will get a dialog box that looks like this. You can select English or whatever language you prefer and go through the install. Now, once you've gone through the install, you can go into Ultrix. If you have not set your license, you can go into Ultrix Designer itself and check on your licenses from that location. So I'm going to open up Ultrix Designer here, and I will show you how to set the license from within Ultrix Designer. So my splash screen's coming up. Now I've got Ultrix Designer up here now. When it finishes loading up, I will then go to Options, Manage Licenses, and in Manage Licenses, I can say Activate a new license. From here, if you've received your license, you can copy it. Now, of course, this license number that you're seeing here, I've put random characters in there, so this is not a working license. But you can take it from your email or however you receive the license, paste it into the box here, and then activate your license. That concludes this presentation. Thank you very much.